Hello, I'm Greg Sampson. I'm a Dallas attorney who practices in probate, estate planning, and trust law. I'm board certified in that area, and I'm here to talk to you today about succession planning, something that I've advised clients about for a long time, and now I'm passionate about helping lawyers determine how they're going to succeed in their practices. So why are we talking about this now? Well, for one, aging demographics. As you can probably tell, more than 30% of our bar is over age 55, and they're aging. Also, we have a number of lawyers that, frankly, because of the stresses of the job, because they're taking care of their families, they're taking care of their clients, and they're taking care of themselves, sometimes it can be more under certain circumstances than they can bear. They may have to take care of family members. They may have to take leave because of their own health. And then, of course, there's always a situation where somebody unexpectedly dies or becomes disabled. In all of these situations, we have a sudden cessation problem. And when that occurs, clients are left in the lurch. They don't know where to turn. They can't reach their lawyer. Their files are in disarray. Deadlines are being missed. The lawyer hasn't done anything wrong. He or she's just not available at the moment. And so we need a process, a custodian attorney, to be able to step in and to solve that problem, to make sure that the clients are notified, that the courts are notified, that their files are transferred on to another lawyer who can help, or at least pedal in place until the lawyer can return to practice. This is what custodianship is about, and this is why we presented a toolkit to give you the resources that you need to be able to plan for that, and if you want to be a custodian, and I hope you do, to be able to help your colleagues in the same way. One common question is, if I appoint a custodian, are they then going to take over my practice? Are they going to take my clients? What is the job of the custodian? Actually, the job of the custodian has nothing to do with representing your clients. It has to do with making sure that your clients are taken care of by a lawyer and making sure that their files are distributed to them, that the courts are notified, that other opposing counsel is notified, so that the client is not left in a lurch. And then eventually, when all of the files have been distributed and you're ready to close the practice, it has an opportunity for that to take place as well. So it is not about appointing somebody, and you as a custodian would not be responsible for representing somebody else's clients. You're simply there to transition the practice and close it. Obviously, the first step in the process is to appoint a custodian. You can appoint a custodian online. It's very easy. It literally takes minutes. You can go on the Law Practice Management website under Succession Planning, and you will find a place where you can name a custodian, where you can then send a message to the custodian through the State Bar asking if they will serve, and then they can respond, and if they do accept the job, you can then visit with them about how that job would be done, and you can access forms and resources that we'll have available on the website for you to enter, for example, a custodian agreement with your custodian. That's the way you get started. Then there are a lot of other resources that we're providing through the toolkit. Again, my name is Greg Sampson. For more information on succession planning and these related topics, please visit texasbarpractice.com or the State Bar website, where you'll find all the resources you need. I would like to take a moment now to thank heartily the great committee that the Law Practice Management has working on this project for you. It's something that's been in process for a few years and will continue so that you have all the resources you need for adequate succession planning for your practice.